This product right here is kind of like the cherry on top. Here we have a polishing compound for the iPhone housings and midframes, specifically for the silver chrome. So not only will this work on, say, the chromed out iPhone 10, but it'll also work on the chromed Apple Watches. So your stainless steel with that chromed out look. Here today, I've got this iPhone. We're gonna see if we can polish it up. As we can see looking down the side, definitely got quite a bit of scuffs, especially on the corners on all sides. It's looking pretty rough, and I want to see how close to factory we can make this. And to assist in that, I'm going to be using this. This is the Smart Electric Polishing Pen that I use in so many different ways, but I haven't yet used it for polishing. Out of the box, we've got a charging cable, a bag full of all of the different little grinders and polishing wheels, and here we have the actual pen itself. You can see here we've got a little Allen wrench that stores here nice in the bottom so you don't lose it. That'll help us to loosen and tighten on both sides of the bit. Let's get out. Let's use this rocket nose looking polishing pad and stick it in there, cinch that up, and tighten the other side down. We've got a couple different speeds on here. We've got 1, 2, 3, and by itself nothing's happening. And then I also have this polishing cloth that we're going to be using as well. So 3 different products in this video. Comes with a microfiber cloth and the compound itself. I'm going to start by taking my finger and getting a little bit of the compound onto this microfiber cloth, this clean room wipe, and I'm going to start to rub it into the chrome itself. Kind of reminds me of polishing up my shoes.
As you fade away, as you fade away.
Wow, and I can already see quite the difference there.
Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me.
Alright, let's see if we can see a noticeable difference in that section there. Wow, look at that. It's not perfect, but there is definitely a difference from here to there. Let's get this a little bit more clean. Look at that. I'm going to continue to go around and see how much different we can make this look. Look at all the scuffs on the buttons.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
process can be a little bit messy, and I'm sure it could have been worse than this.
I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
I am super satisfied with the result. If I went over it one more time, I'd probably be able to get rid of any tiny little scuff or scratch that I somehow missed. Didn't take too long, a couple minutes maybe at most on each side, and it's back to looking pretty much new.